welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day, no night, whichever time you're watching this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you saw on the stuff in the title, today we are going to do a Shein. So Shein is a very famous online application or site where you get all of these really wonderful clothes at these really cheap prices. And from my personal experience, I have ordered around once or twice from Shein and I got really bad results, like very bad. So I thought I would not shop on it again, but right now I'm seeing different people wearing these really amazing clothes and they said the prices were good and the quality has been improved as well. So I thought, why not, let's give it a try again, and I have kept my expectations low and hopefully I could at least get one or two pieces that are really good, because otherwise I'll be really sad. The money would be quite waste. Put them in this basket for reworks cart because there was a lot of it. So yeah, so without just jumping into this review slash haul, let's begin. Okay, so I got my parcel in two phases. I think one I got was from out of India and one was, I think it was made in India. So the one that came from outside were in these really nice Shein Ziploc bags, and the other one was just like the normal packing you have in that plastic pouch. So I threw that one out. I put on the either of the side of the picture which I saw on the side and what I have. Okay. So I have saved all the pieces to try on in this haul. So I don't know about the fitting. So what I'm going to see right now, except those two pieces that I've already got are very new to me, and I just jumped straight into the haul because I want to show you what I actually feel about them. So yeah, let's begin. So this is the first thing I got. This is a quad set. So this is the top. The top, which has this really nice tie thing over here. It's kind of face back, but not really. The material is really soft, guys, but I think it would be a little see-through though. But otherwise, the fabric of this top is really nice. Next, you have these paperback shorts with a thing to tie. It's in yellow color with black stripes. Now I thought it would have pockets, but it did not. But I am okay with it. I have got this quad set in medium because I was not sure, because again, sizes are a really big issue in Shein. This is a short, and I think for the price I paid for these quad set, I think it was a really good deal. And even though the pants are a little synthetic-y, more of a synthetic material side, I think I would wear them. And it will be really cute. So yeah, I think I like this one. The next piece has been a very big disappointment, and again, it kind of works with my statement that when you buy something cheap, there's always something wrong with it, and this was one of them. So this was a top, and I got this top. First of all, it was a mesh crop top and with these kind of sleeves, and when you look onto the other side, this was a very deep tone or the elastic came off. So this is what it looks like. This fabric is very nice and very soft, but I don't think this type of fabric is needed in this kind of material because I think it will be really clumsy. And even if I want, I cannot try this on. So yeah, this piece is a very big fail, and I can't wait to return it. But let's see. I think I do like it. I might use it as a blouse. I think I would give it to a tailor and get it stitched over here, and maybe use it as a blouse. So yeah, I think I would return it because this is cute. I could wear it with a really high-waisted jeans or something maybe. But let's see what I will do with this outfit. I got this shipment that I got from outside. Now this is the first pack. Wow. Okay, so I got this. I won't say it's a crop top, it's a t-shirt in this. So this tie-dye print I have seen, it's like a gel and it's going everywhere, and I'm in love with well. It's so pretty, it's so nice. So I saw this top at this really amazing price and I thought, why not let's grab it, why not let's see. And the material is super soft, very nice, like super nice, very beautiful. Though you might get bubbles in this, but I don't think the bubbles will be visible because the color is so amazing. So yeah, this is the one. Though I like the back side more than the front side, but I think it looks nice. And I'm damn sure if my mother would see this, she would say, this looks like something you go for Holi and it's all colored right now and you're wearing it as a top. I'm sure somebody or anybody would say about this top that this looks so much like a Holi thing. So yeah, but I love Holi. So yeah, I love this top. I'm super happy about it and hopefully it fits me. I hope it fits me nicely also. Okay, so this piece right here, I think it is what it is. And this is the piece that because of which I went to Shein and I was like, I have to buy this. I got this really nice suit from Shein and I was super excited for this one. So this is what it looks like. This is the piece. It's a black one and it has the percentage closet with this short. Guys, the fabric is so nice. We will try everything at the end of the video so you can see how this fits on me. But yeah, I think I'm really happy with this and I think this will look so good. So yeah, continue with the packages. I don't really have a white dress, so I thought I would get one. Wow, this looks really nice. It's very nice, pretty dress. I won't say it's a mesh dress, but it does have this work all over it. And I'm pretty excited to try it on. I hope that it fits me well. And the good thing about it is that it has a lining inside it, or what we call a slit. You have that inside, so I don't have any problem with anything transparent. So yeah, I'm really happy about this piece as well, and we'll try everything at the end to see if it fits well as well. Yeah, last clothing item I got from Shein. Okay, so this is a romper which is very badly crushed because it's a cotton one. Okay, so this is the romper. So I think the neckline is too deep, more deep than I would have anticipated. But other than that, the material is really comfortable. I think I was very comfortable in it. You have a belt. So last but not the least, I got this little carton set from Shein. This is Shein. Wear it like that, so it's like a 3-piece really short necklace. I would also try this one and show it to you. I thought this would be very flimsy, even of bad quality, but I don't think this is bad quality. For $100, I think this is really amazing. And why I got this one piece only because I had a coupon and I can probably buy which was of 100 piece, I know. And also because I wasn't sure of how the stuff on Shein would be. I didn't know how to spend a huge amount of it, so I got as many items I could get in that limited amount. And what I feel looking most of the items, not trying them out yet, I think most of them are really nice. So yeah, let's try out all.
So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'm back to do it again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move
down below if you like this video or not, if you want to see more such videos, and which one is your favorite outfit. Do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time real soon. And then stay safe, stay indoors, and yeah.